It takes a holistic approach to manage environmental risks while also advancing towards the growth and development of the country. The private sector plays a crucial role in steering economic activity, but are we doing it responsibly? There is a need to invest in and switch to cleaner technologies and reduce carbon footprints. The private sector participation is integral in tackling the global climate crisis. This World Environment Day, our members and the AEEE family share their messages for a greener and a cleaner future. Take a look.
World Environment Day this year comes in the aftermath of two major cyclonic events that have devastated large parts of India. Events such as this tend to reiterate the fragile state of the biosphere we live and operate in. Hence, onus is on us to make sure we do not create more adverse conditions through our actions. On this World Environment Day, let's pledge to undertake activities in our own small way, in our homes, in our offices, in our industries, be these sustainable cooling solutions, energy efficient appliances, or pathways towards decarbonizing our process requirements. Let's make sure that we create a greener world. We support the regeneration and restoration of our ecosystems. Please join us at AEEE in this pledge that green is my promise.
Sustainability is a mindset. It's also a culture that we take very seriously at Carrier. Our ESG goals released recently make us commit a reduction in our customers' carbon footprint by as much as 1 gigaton. Green is our promise. Green is my promise.
Our natural ecosystems in India have been adversely affected due to excessive exploitation, pollution, neglect, and climate change. It is critical that we restore our natural ecosystems, as they cannot only have harmful effects on the planet but our lives as well. It is time for us to act. We are the only generation that can repair, build back, and save the earth. We can be the generation of restoration and can work towards doing our bit to reimagine, recreate, and restore. Water is an intrinsic part of most ecosystems, and on this World Environment Day, it is critical for us to take some decisive action to focus on replenishing our water sources to help our ecosystems recover and regenerate. We will succeed only if everyone plays a vital part. Today, on this Environment Day, as we all come together to heal the planet, I pledge my commitment. Green is my promise.
Doing my bit now starts with me checking in and becoming aware at the end of each day on what I consumed, how I lived, or what planet impact my daily actions may have possibly had. 95% of what we do is driven by our habitual subconscious mind, and this daily routine is already helping me make more conscious, responsible, and holistic choices more effortlessly. Green remains my promise.
Buildings are a major contributor to climate change. Today we have enough skills. There are tools and technologies available to achieve fairly efficient buildings. Coupled with data-driven designs, you can achieve super efficient buildings that are healthy for the occupants and also protect the environment. I want to ensure every single of our building is a super efficient green building. Green is my promise.